Hello everyone, welcome to today's English learning video. In this lesson, we will learn something very important. 50 common English mistakes that most people make every day. If you are learning English and want to sound natural and confident, this video is for you. So let's begin. And speak English the correct way. We don't say I am agree because agree is a verb, not an adjective. We use am only with adjectives like I am happy, I am tired. So the correct form is I agree. Example, I agree with you. I agree that it's a good idea. For he, she, and it, we use does not, doesn't, not do not, don't. Example, he doesn't like coffee. She doesn't work on Sunday. Wrong. She is very beautiful girl. Right. She is a very beautiful girl. Whenever you use an adjective before a singular countable noun, you must use a or an. Example. She is a very kind girl. He is an intelligent boy. Wrong. Let's discuss about it. Right. Let's discuss it. Discuss already means talk about. So we don't need to add about. Example, let's discuss the plan. We discussed the movie yesterday. Wrong, I will return back soon. Right, I will return soon. Return already means come back, so back is unnecessary. Example, he returned home last night. I will return soon. Wrong, this is more better. Right, this is better. Better already means more good. We don't say more better. Example, this one is better than that. I feel better today. Wrong, each and every student. Right, each and every student. Each and every are always singular, so we use a singular noun and singular verb. Example, each student has a book. Every person has a dream. Wrong, I am having a car. Right, I have a car. We don't use am having for things we own. We say, I have. Example, I have 2 brothers. I have a bike. Wrong, he is my cousin brother. Right, he is my cousin. Cousin already means brother's or sister's child. So brother or sister is unnecessary. Example, he is my cousin, she is my cousin,